How do you say my name is in Spanish? The phrase my name is in Spanish is me llamo. Me llamo. For example, me llamo Ana. Me llamo Ana. My name is Ana. Hola, me llamo Luis. Hola, me llamo Luis. Hello, my name is Luis. Me llamo Pedro. Encantado. Me llamo Pedro. Encantado. My name is Pedro. Nice to meet you. The phrase me llamo literally means I call myself. You could also use the word soy, which means I am. For example, soy Ana. Soy Ana would be I'm Ana. But me llamo is perfectly fine too. Me llamo Julia. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Julia. ¿Y tú? My name is Julia. And you? Me llamo Kieran y soy de Inglaterra. Me llamo Kieran y soy de Inglaterra. My name is Kieran and I'm from England. Mucho gusto. Me llamo Elena. Mucho gusto. Me llamo Elena. Nice to meet you. My name is Elena. So if you want to say my name is in Spanish, you can say me llamo. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can go to www.3minlanguages.com. And don't forget to use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.